Fernando welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Crabs and Crack. So this is their 5th branch located dito po sa the Orchards Telabastagan. And look at our table. Actually, iilan lamang po ito sa mga menu o mga dishes na available dito po sa Crabs and Crack. Maraming salamat Crabs and Crack for being such a generous host for this video. So hindi na natin ito patatagalin guys. Kahit puno na yung table natin, may padating pa pala. 1 whole fried chicken. Thank you. Alam naman natin na si Crabs and Crack very famous sa kanilang mga seafood platter. Aside from mga seafood, ito po yung mga other options that you can actually order. Okay, so let's start with this rice over here. So tikman natin to guys. Oh, look at this. So ang setup dito, they're gonna have a clean wrap sa table, and then from the table on itself, pwede na tayong kumain. Ayan, so lalagyan ko, the first I wanna try is yung kanilang scallops. Now look at this. Ito yung scallops natin. Look at that. Wow. Wow, manghang. Manghang. Some more scallops. The entire shell is lickable. You know, lickable. Aside from the spicy scallops natin, meron tayong baked, which is this one. So let me taste it. Look at that cheese. Ayan, oh. Wow. Get all the cheese, get all the cheese. A little bit sweet, a little bit salty. Sarap. Pili ko magra-rice na ako pero konting taste pa. Konting taste pa, Louie. So more of the seafood. Meron tayo ditong grilled tuna. Look at this. Oh. Look at that. Another one coming. Look at that. At dumating na ang pinakasikat. Ito actually sikat na dish dito sa Crabs and Crack. So this is their platter. This is a chili garlic flavor. I mean, look at this, super overload, di ba? Tikman na natin to while it's here. Ito yung special dip nila, guys. Look at this. Ayan, oh. Isa rin sa mga sikat dito at pinupuntahan is actually yung dip. And you can buy this separately if you want to take it home. Ayan. Alright, that's enough. So I wanna try yung kanilang shrimp. Look at this. Ang lalaki, guys. Ang lalaki. Buksan natin to because I wanna really taste it. Ayun! There you go. Dip it here. Wow! It's a mix of seafood. Notice, meron tayong crabs, shrimp, meron tayong squid, may mussels. Okay, so let's dip it like this. Mag-open tayo ng crab, guys. Look at this. Oh, wow. Let's open another one. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Let me show you guys kung gaano kataba yung mga crabs nila dito. Look at that. Let me open this. Whoa, I think I'm gonna taste this one. Ito yung tikman natin. Ito. Ayan. Yun. I think I got it. Look at that fat. Wow, let's taste it. Sarap. Sweet and sour pampano. Kaya sobrang dami nilang mga hinanda nila guys. Patikim-tikim lang tayo dito. Ayan, tikman natin to. Another seafood dish is the, ayan, sizzling squid. Pakita natin what's inside with vegetables. There you go. Wow, I like it. Kunin natin siya. Ayan, put it here. As is, you can eat it. Pero ako, gusto ko siya na isaw-saw sa kanilang special dip. So aside from the seafood, sabi nga sa inyo, available din yung mga ibang Filipino dishes. May Kapampangan as well as this Western barbecue style na ribs. Okay, so let's start with this one. Very famous chicharon bulaklak. Ayan. Oh, wow. So another Pinoy dish is yung kanilang lechon kawali. I mean, look at this. Available din po siya dito. So let me get this one. I actually dipped this earlier. Pero gusto ko pa rin siyang i-dip. Ayan. Cheers! Ang lambot. Ang lambot. Super. So another dip. This time, lagyan natin ng kanin. Mas masarap may kanin to. Naman. This is, again, a Kapampangan icon dish available dito is the sizzling sisig. Ayan. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this baby. So side dish niya, meron tayong fried potatoes. But I wanna try this. Ito. This one. So this is our first try. Our first cut. Dip in sa kanilang barbecue sauce. Let's try it. Heavenly. Oh, like it. One more piece. One more please. Ayan. So let me cut it on this side. Ayan. And then let's drip over yung barbecue sauce natin. I want it drip like that. Okay. Tingnan na natin to. Yaman ha. Naman na. Wow. Sobrang lambot. I like it. Two more dishes I wanna try. Yung kanilang fried chicken over here. Full fried chicken. Again, if you bring your kids here, kung ayaw nila yung mga seafood, medyo over strong flavor, available yung mga fried chicken natin dito. And then the last one is the soup. I wanna try the soup. But first, let's try this. Ito. Wow, mainit-init pa. Mainit-init pa, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh. Mainit-init pa. Promise. Oh, this is hot. Ayan, so I got this drumstick. Let's dip in sa kanilang gravy. Ayan. Cheers! For me, guys, in all honesty, a little bit salty for the gravy. So siguro don't overpower it. As is, you may enjoy it. Not too much with the gravy. Supposedly, guys, this should be the first one, appetizer. Pero hinuli ko siya kasi sobrang dami ng hinanda nila dito. I gotta taste first yung mga main dishes bago talaga ako mabusog. But this is gonna be the last one. Ayan, guys, soup. Oh, wow. Seafood soup. Seafood, yeah. Crabs. Crab and corn. Yeah, seafood crab and corn. Yep. Ayun nga, guys, so among the dishes na pin-prepare nila para sa atin, which one could be your favorite or kung saan talagang sobrang natakam kayo, please leave them at the comment section. Let's talk about them. As for me, guys, this is the newest branch of Crabs and Crack. Located po ito sa may Orchards Telabastagan. Parking is not a problem. can actually bring your family. Napaka-family friendly ng lugar na to. And yeah, I hope you find this video very helpful. Natakam po kayo. And if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye guys. Kain pa ako.